Good morning, everyone. How are you guys doing today? Peyer Daniel here, and today we are going to be making some stir fry, so get ready. I've been getting a lot of messages saying, hey, what do you eat throughout the day? What do you make? What do you cook? So today I've decided to make a little video of what I create kind of for dinner. For lunch, usually it's just plain protein shake and chicken, but dinner is usually something different, something exciting. So today I'm going to show you my stir fry and what I put in it and how I make it healthy. So to start off, I'm going to be using some round beef, jasmine rice, yellow onion, mushrooms, zucchini, and a different assortment of bell peppers. This will really give it flavor and just overall make it taste amazing. And I can't wait to eat it and to start cooking it, so let's get into it. It is all coming together. Look at that. Got the mushroom, zucchini, got the steak, chicken. It is all coming together. Whoo! Got the zucchini and the mushrooms, got the ground beef and the rice all cooking, and it is flavorful. Just got to put the onion in and the bell peppers, and it should be good to go. All we gotta do now is put in the onion. The rice is done cooking. The steak is just over here simmering and doing whatever it does. I don't really know. It's done, so it's just kind of over there. And, whew. It's looking good. Just added the steak into the vegetables, and damn, does it look good. The rice is all done. Now I'm just kind of waiting for the vegetables and the meat to kind of finish cooking together with the onion to add that little bit of flavor. It's gonna be so good, so pumped for this. Now we just kind of wait for it to cook. It is all done now and looking beautiful. Thank you for watching this Cooking with Daniel, and I will see you next time. And remember, just keep living life.